So the last minute leaks for Pixel 9 Pro are here. Pixel 9 Pro XL is going to be the high-end variant of Google Pixel 9 series. We have some interesting news regarding the Pro and Pro XL variants, and also all the prices are confirmed for the full Pixel 9 series. There is one feature that Pixel 9 Pro XL is having and you must need to know it. There will be a total of 4 phones in Pixel 9 series: Google Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. For those looking for a budget phone, can go for standard Pixel 9 with dual camera setup at rear side and a bit of low resolution display. Pixel 9 Pro XL is gonna have triple camera setup at the rear side, as we have already seen this, and it will have high resolution display with 120Hz refresh rate. This time Google is increasing the brightness, and Pixel 9 Pro XL will have insane 3000 nits of brightness, which is higher than Samsung's S24 Ultra's 2600 nits display. There will be ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is way faster and secure than the traditional fingerprint scanner. Talking about the cameras, then there will be 50 megapixel main sensor, a 48 megapixel ultra wide and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens on Pixel 9 Pro XL. At the front, Pixel 9 Pro XL will have 42 megapixel selfie shooter in center punch hole design. Moving towards the coolest feature, which is Add Me. Now Google has made it easy for group photos. You can take photo of a group without having any tripod or setting any timer. Basically, you have to take photo of your group and then one of them will align you within camera by making an overlay to make it a group photo. Another cool feature, which is Reimagine. So with the help of this feature, you can transform anything in photo and swap the backgrounds, like sunsets in this case, which is really cool. For the chipset, the Pixel 9 series will come with Tensor G4, the latest one from Google. Although it didn't perform really great against the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but let's see how it actually performs in the devices itself. Talking about the prices, then Pixel 9, the standard version, will be starting from $799 for 1 to 8 GB storage option. Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL will start from $999 and $1199 for 256 GB variants. Now the banger in this whole Pixel 9 series is going to be this bad boy, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This one's gonna be way better than its own predecessor and Samsung's Z Fold 6, because it is having a lot of improvements in its hardware and design, such as very minimum bezels on main screen and less crease while unfolded. It's gonna have 6.3 inches cover display and 8 inches main display. There will be a 10 megapixel selfie shooter, a 48 megapixel main camera at rear side, 10.5 megapixel ultra wide and a 10.8 megapixel telephoto lens. This will also be coming along with other Pixel 9 models tomorrow. That's all for the Pixel 9 series. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.